Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. I'm on the road, traveling. I'm somewhere between Toledo and Columbus. I just thought I'd come out here. I had to stop, and I got to meet with Yankees Outdoor Adventures. But we were pressed for time because he had an appointment. And we were both talkers. So we like to chitter chatter a little bit. We got a lot to talk about. So we forced a few words in here and there, and then he had to go. He had prior plans. So I got to meet with Yankees Outdoor Adventures for just a little bit. We got a video on his, but not on mine. But that's fine. And I'm halfway between his house and Southern Ohio DIY Solar Power. Go to see Jeff. So that was really cool. That was my first collaboration, but not my last. So I'm going to have a collaboration with Jeff. We might have another visitor from there. I'm not quite sure yet, because I came down a day early, and I do plan on stopping in Fort Wayne, Indiana, to see with Riverponics. That'll be amazing. First time to get out to see these YouTube video creators. Pretty awesome. So it was going to be a giveaway for these seed packets, but I didn't do a giveaway on YouTube, but I did give one to Yankee. I got like probably well over 500 subscribers from Yankees channel alone at the beginning. I don't know if they're all with me still, but it was still beautiful. So I'm going to give the other seed packet to Jeff, because I don't know how I could pay him for these solar batteries. And I don't even know if they're disconnected yet. He just had a power outage. So that wasn't part of the script. So, but he had energy. He still got energy to his refrigerator and a few other things. So, and if I can't get the batteries on this route, I'll come back and get him on another time, because he's got to have energy. He's got to have the refrigerator and stuff running, and keep his homestead up and alive. So, if the Tesla battery is not connected when I get there, I just might come home empty-handed and have to come back on another trip. We have to have electricity. We have to be off-grid. We have to do our own thing. But anyway, I'm in Finlay. It's really cool because the water tower, I can't see the water tower here on this. I think it's that. The water tower says, Finlay salutes veterans. And for that, I say, hua, Sarge.